are the answers? The story is about Mowgli, right? Mowgli, the man cub who was raised by the wolf family, right? And the story starts in the backdrop of Seeonee Hills, where Father Wolf, he yawns, scratches himself, and spread out his paws. And how many cubs were there? Cubs were there? Four cubs, right? Four cubs. And who comes with the news of Sher Khan? Jackal, yes. Why, why didn't the other animals in the jungle like the jackal? Why did no one like the jackal?
Because he tells and make
Because
mischief.
he used to tell tales and also make mischief. And
Mischief.
what did he find? What did he find in the cave to eat? A
A
bird. Yes,
bird.
yes. Now, he says that Sher Khan has decided to hunt close by. Then Father Wolf says about the law of the jungle. What is the law of the jungle? Wait. Not together, not together, not together, not together. One by. Yes, Abhinav. Can you wait? Wait. Abhinav, tell me what was the law of the jungle? It's a very
The
important
law
question.
of the jungle was that no one can change his hunting area
Without
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 warning.
warning. That two words are important, otherwise your answer will be incomplete. Okay, the law of the jungle was that no one can change his hunting area without warning. That question is very important. Okay, and then Father Wolf was very angry with the jackal, and the jackal said that I am going, and he vanished into the night. And then the bushes rustled, and they saw the baby just able to walk. He caught him with his jaws and gently brought him into the cave. Suddenly, Sher Khan thrust his great head and shoulder, and he demanded for the man cub. Was the wolf family ready to return the man cub? No, they
No.
were not ready to give back the man cub. And okay, who spoke to Sher Khan with great anger in the end? Adika, who spoke to Sher Khan with great anger in the end?
Mother Wolf
Mother
spoke
Wolf.
to
Sher Khan.
Mother Wolf spoke to
Sher
Sher Khan with
Khan with great
anger.
anger in the end. Okay, so whenever you write the answers, listen, children, I'll be writing the questions on this board. You have to look at the screen, just put the question number and write the answers in a complete sentence. Look at the question, use the words from the question, and make sure that you write the answers in a complete sentence. Begin the sentence with capital letter, and whatever proper nouns, use capital letters. At the end of the sentence, you have to put the full stop. Okay, don't forget that, because for each spelling mistake, punctuation errors, your marks will be reduced. And then from module 8, you have the synonyms. What are synonyms? What are synonyms? Andrea, what are synonyms?
Ma'am, synonyms are opposite words.
No, dear, that is antonyms. Don't get confused. Siddharth,
Synonyms are same.
words with the same meanings, right?
Same.
Andrea, just remember same and synonyms. Both starts with S. Okay? That is a trick to remember. So, synonyms means same meaning. Antonyms means opposite. Don't get confused. Okay? So,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have brave, synonym courageous, cheap, inexpensive, sharp, synonym is pointed, strange, synonym is odd, rough, synonym is uneven, and shy means timid. And in the second exercise, I have told you how to replace the underlined word. Okay, I'll just write one and you have to tell me. Yes. Oof. Just a moment. We must, just look at the screen, okay? Behave ourselves. No need of writing this. We must behave ourselves and not be impolite. Okay, and I am underlining the word impolite. And the question is, rewrite the sentence using the synonym of the underlined word.
Ma'am, Abhinav.
Okay. Wait. I will ask this question to. Just a moment. Who will answer this question? Gauri Nanda. Gauri Nanda, how will you write the answer? My question is, rewrite the sentence using the synonym of the underlined word. Unmute your audio. Anay, there is no response from. Yes, tell me, Gauri.
Ma'am, impolite.
Huh?
Ma'am, impolite.
Yes, impolite. Impolite is the underlined word. Now, instead of impolite, you have to use the synonym. Use its synonym. What is the synonym of impolite?
Unpolite.
No. What is this? If you had prepared, you will immediately get the answer. What is the synonym
Ma'am,
of impolite? Abhinav, tell me, what is the synonym of?
Rude.
Exactly. So, how will you rewrite the sentence? We must. Tell me. We must
Must ourselves
behave ourselves.
rude.
Ah,
Not be rude.
okay, very good. Behave ourselves and not be, instead of impolite, you have to write the word rude. This is how you have to write. Okay, rewrite sentence means you have to write the sentence again. And instead of the underlined word, you have to use the synonym. Okay, that's it. So, shall I write the question? So, please close your books. Close your book. Open. Keep open your rough book only with your pencil. I'm going to write down the questions on the board. Please make sure you write only the answers. Put the question number and write the answers. Okay? Put today's date. What is today's date? 1/3. Revision test. Lesson. This is lesson number 10. Lesson 10. First question. What was the law of the jungle? It's a very important question of this lesson, okay? Who spoke to the wolves about Sher Khan? Sher Khan, S and K should be capital because Sher Khan is the name of the tiger and it is a proper noun. Why did no one like the jackal? Put only the question numbers and write the answers neatly. I was very unhappy when my dog died. You have to rewrite the sentence using the synonym of the underlined word. And the second sentence is, just a moment. Meena wears beautiful dresses. Beautiful. That's all. These are the only questions for the written test. I'm telling it again, please don't write the questions. I'll send the questions in the WhatsApp later. Okay? All the important questions will be sent in the WhatsApp. Right now, you just put the question number and write the answers. That's all. And make sure that you write the answers in a complete sentence, starting with capital letter, ending the sentence with a full stop, and using capital letters for all the proper nouns. And after this, we'll have an oral revision of the MCQ. Don't worry. I hope there is no confusion regarding any of the questions. Children, do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, fine. Don't take too much time, okay? Write it fast and neat. Leah, do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, because I saw you join late. You're just revising some of the questions, and these you have to just write the answers in your rough book. Abhinav, did you finish it?
Ma'am, second question, sir.
Second question?
What is the question?
Who spoke to the wolves about Sher Khan?
Wolf
Brought the...
spelling.
Huh?
Wolf spelling.
I didn't understand.
Man, there was you written wolf. No. Wolf. Wolf.
Who spoke to the wolves about Sher Khan? Who brought the news about Sher Khan to the wolves? Who came with the news? How many of you know the answer? Yes, you know it. Okay, okay. Abhinav, you write it. Okay then. Fine. So just write the character's name and then complete the sentence. Spoke to the wolves about Sher Khan. Dash spoke to the wolves about Sher Khan. That's all. Other two questions are clear, right? It's direct question. What was the law of the jungle? You have to start the answer. The law of the jungle was that dash 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 dash. Full stop. Okay. Again, why did no one like the jackal? No one liked the jackal because dash dash dash. Stop. Full stop. Okay. Give the reasons. Yes.
You're right. Fourth and fifth, another chapters. Question.
No, fourth and fifth is not another chapter's questions. They are the exercise from workbook. I had asked you to revise and I showed
Okay,
some
ma'am.
examples also. You have to just... Yes. Very good, Andrea. You have to just replace, instead of the underline unhappy, you have to use the synonym. You have to use the synonym of the word unhappy. Same way, you have to use the synonym of the word beautiful. Okay, synonym means word with the same meaning. See, I'm going to give you only 4 more minutes. After that, we have to discuss the MCQ questions. So even if you don't complete, please complete it later. And I'll be sending you the questions through the WhatsApp also. Whatever questions are being given in the revision test in the class, please make sure that you write it and study. Write those questions and study. Okay, they are the important questions. Other questions also you have to learn. Sorry. Two more minutes. Please make it fast. How many of you finished writing the answers? Yes, Adhika. Did you write both the sentences also? Okay. Abel Dixon, very good. Huh. Abel Dixon, see, you have to write only the answers. So you should not be taking so much time. Andrea also finished. Okay, fine. And what about Isan? Just do it fast, okay? Yes, Abhinav completed it. And what about Advait?
Ma'am, are you completed?
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, Devananda completed.
Okay, okay, good, good.
Ma'am, MCQ. MCQ will be there.
Yes, MCQ, I'm not going to send you the link. You need not do the test. We'll just do an oral. We will just do an oral revision in the class. That's all. Okay, I'm not going to send you any link.
Okay, ma'am.
Because you know how the questions are being asked, right? And we had already done a lot of MCQs when we learned the lesson. So we'll be taking, we'll be revising the same questions once again. So when we are discussing the questions, please look at the screen and read the questions, understand the questions carefully, and see what is the answers. Okay. Okay, children. So those who did not complete, is there anyone left out who did not complete writing the answers? Just raise your hand, those who did not complete. Don't worry, if you have not completed, you can complete it, but today itself. Anay, okay? Today itself, because I cannot see only 10 more minutes left. We have to discuss the MCQ questions. Okay. Fine. So these are the MCQ questions. Just look at the questions. Hannah, can you please unmute?
Ma'am, you can send the link below.
I'm not going to send any link. No link will be sent. We are just doing the oral revision. Okay, Devananda. First question. Who is the author of the Jungle Book?
Ma'am, Rabindranath Tagore.
Aha.
Ma'am, not second.
Boy, how do you read that? How do you read that word? What is the name of the writer? Rudyard?
Tagore.
Aha. Rudyard Kipling. Say that.
Ma'am,
Rudyard
second
Kipling.
one.
Yes, Rudyard Kipling. Repeat the word. You should know how to pronounce the name of the author. Rudyard Kipling. Devananda, repeat that.
Rudyard Kipling.
Not Rudyard, Rudyard. See, look at the spelling. R-U-D-Y-A-R-D.
Rudyard.
Rudyard Kipling. Okay. The
Okay, ma'am.
author. What do you mean by the word author? Author means the person who wrote it.
Wrote it.
Yes, yes. So the author of Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling. Others, please note it. If there is any confusion, if you have not learnt it, please learn it now. The author of Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling. Now, good. The next question, Advait. Who is the man cub?
Mowgli.
Exactly. I hope there is no confusion regarding that for anyone. Good. Bandhan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the antonym of the word close by? See, it is antonym. Antonym means opposite word. So, what is the antonym of close by? Bandhan, what is the antonym of close by?
Yes, ma'am.
Say the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first one.
No. It doesn't make sense. Open by, there is no word like open by. Close by means very near. Huh? Close by means near. So what will be the antonym of close by?
Ma'am, near.
Ma'am, Advait.
Adhika,
Far away.
far away. It is already given in the
Ma'am,
words.
far away.
Far away. Why so much of delay in giving the answer? If you have revised the lesson, you should be giving me the answers immediately. Okay, so the antonym of close by is far away. Very good, Adhika. Now, Isan, the fourth question. Choose the one word of the meaning made soft crackling sound?
Rustled.
Exactly, rustle. The second option is the right answer. Good. Abel, question number 5. Why didn't the other animals like the jackal?
The second one.
Because he told tales and made mischief. And that is the answer for the question I that gave you now, right? Why didn't the other animals like the jackal? The two reasons are he used to tell tales and make mischief. That is the answer. Very good. Next, Siddharth, unmute. What is the meaning of the word thrust? Look at the options. What is the meaning of the word thrust? Unmute. Andrea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait. Siddharth, what is the meaning of the word trust?
Push with force.
Exactly, push with force. Andrea, now it's your turn. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Who told the wolves about Sher Khan?
And the jackal.
Yes, the jackal told the wolves about Sher Khan. Now, next, Lizel, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the past tense of shine?
Shown.
Very good. S-H-O-N-E, shown is the past tense of shine. Next, Anay. Anay, unmute.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
spoke to Sher Khan with great anger in the end?
Mother wolf.
Mother Wolf. Very good. Hannah.
Ma'am.
Yes. Choose the past tense of wake.
Boat.
Very good. W-O-K-E. Woke is the correct answer. Next, Dia. Dia?
Ma'am, we
Okay.
cannot hear you.
Why? Can't hear me now? Now can you hear me? Dia, please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me. What about Adinath? Can you hear me? Adinath.
We can hear me.
Okay. Can you hear me, Adinath? Okay. Just a moment. There's a lot of noise going on in the background. I'll come back to Adinath. Yes, Adinath, please unmute. See, children, you have to make sure once you answer the question, keep your audio muted. Otherwise, every now and then the teacher has to keep on muting, and that is going to take a lot of time. So make it a habit. Once you say the answer, immediately mute your audio. And whenever the teacher is calling your name again, unmute and speak. Adinath, can you hear me? Yes. Question number 11. Choose the one word for the meaning causing trouble. What is the answer? Mischief. Very good. Mute your audio. Next. Arav. Choose
Yes,
the word meaning. Choose the meaning of the word squealing.
Making a long cry.
Fantastic. Making a long cry. Abhinav. Mute your audio. Where is the story based?
In a jungle.
In a jungle. Very good. Shravan. Shravan, unmute. Abhinav, mute your audio. What was the law of the jungle?
One can't change his hunting area without warning.
Exactly. One cannot change his hunting area without warning. Isan, 15th question. How was Sher Khan? How was Sher Khan? Yes?
He did not
Care about?
care about
other animals.
other animals.
Yes. Adhika, how many cubs did the wolves have?
4 cups.
4 cups. Okay. Andrea, the baby named Mowgli was raised by
Wolves.
the wolves. Very good. Then Hanna or Gauri Nanda. What did the jackal find in the cave to eat? What did the jackal find? Yes, exactly. The bone. And a bone. Abhinav, the baby pushed his way to come closer to the
Mother wolf.
mother wolf. Okay. And Anay, last question. Choose a missing letter in the word. Y-A-N-E-D. Which letter is missing there?
W.
Exactly, W. And it makes yawn. So that's all for today. In the next class, I'll tell you, you have to study the next 2 lessons. You have to revise the next 2
Ma'am?
lessons for the revision.
Can you send
Okay.
in the WhatsApp?
Yes. I'll send it in the WhatsApp. Okay. So bye for now. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Revise your lessons well. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.